Did you notice the sentiment score for governance sitting at plus 0.70 right now? That's a notable spike compared to our historical baseline, indicating a significant shift in sentiment. It's unusual to see such a strong positive sentiment without corresponding momentum, currently at 0. This suggests that while the enthusiasm is palpable, it may not yet be translating into actionable movement. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters, allowing you to gauge the nuances of governance discussions in real time. Imagine using this data to inform your next governance strategy or proposal. By tracking sentiment shifts, you can proactively adjust your approach based on community reactions. For more details on how to integrate and leverage this data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.